Hi friends, this video tutorial I will show you how to add dramatic light effect on your any image. So don't waste your time, let's get started. First, you need adjustment layer of the exposure. Get the pen tool and make selection you want dramatic light. Next step is right click on selection and make selection and press the button OK. Now you have a selection. Get a new curve adjustment layer. Reach the curve tool up. Then go to mask tool and increase the feather. You can adjust the feather according to your image. Drag the mask to exposure layer. This process can done. Press Alt and replace the mask. And go to the second layer and press Ctrl I to invert this layer. Now you can freely adjust exposure according to your image. You can see cool dramatic light you have done this tutorial. That's the tutorial guys. Hope you like this tutorial and like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials like this. Until then, goodbye.